everyone, so today I have got an exciting video. I have got an unboxing video for you guys, and I've got the Asos face and body makeup beauty box. They have 4 or 5 of these beauty boxes actually available right now. They're all retailing, I should say, for £25, and they are such bargains. Every single one of them, what they are. They've got a skincare one, they've got the makeup one, which I'm going to unbox for you now. They've got a men's one, a hair care one. Such good value. This one really caught my eye for a singular item, so I did purchase this, even though I do not need any more makeup. But yeah, we're going to unbox this on the height of the video, like my height, oh, you know what I mean. But we're going to unbox it. So £25 for this box. I think it's a steal. I feel like it's a steal. Every item in this box is full size, by the way. So let's just get into the first item of this box. The first item is this Morphe Duo Lip Gloss Duo. I'm so excited. You have got these are called the Drip Glass Glaze Lip Duo. They are hot and unbothered. Hot cocoa and unbothered is the shade. And I'm just so excited. I've literally just got a lip liner on my lips. I'm going to try one of these out. I'm so excited. I haven't tried a lot from Morphe, but I do love the Morphe Set Mist. So these are the colours here. How gorgeous are these? We're going to try the darker shade, which is hot cocoa, because I'm loving shades like this. Packaging is beautiful, and these are full size. Oh wow, that is a dark shade. How beautiful is that though? I feel like if I didn't have that redness around my lips off my lip plumper, I think it would be so much nicer. Right, we're going to wipe that off and I'm going to try the other shade. Try the Unbothered shade, which I'm very excited about. Oh, yeah, I'm so excited about these. Oh, I love this. The texture of these are beautiful. That is that one. We're going to leave that one on. Right, so the next item is a Sculpted by Amy. I don't know whether I've tried any of her products. My Mascara Ultra Black Volume Lift and Length Mascara in its packaging. So all these are in like packagings, well, up to now, so you could gift them. See if you just wanted one of the items. And this is what it looks like here. I put an image of the wand on the screen because I'm not going to open another mascara because I do not need to, even though I really want to. A Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Erasers. So if you've got pores, this would definitely be a good little item for you. And that's been around for a long time, hasn't it? Next, we've got the e.l.f. H2O Proof Inkwell Eyeliner. And if you're an eyeliner wearer, that's good. It says it's a waterproof eyeliner as well. Then we have got a Huda Beauty product, which is the blush filter, and it's a liquid blush in the shade Peach Sorbet. Let's have a look at this then. So full size, I think, because everything in this one is a full size. So this is the packaging. That is very different. Oh, so it's a doe foot applicator. I thought it was like a cream blush. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, that is definitely peachy. That is it there. Really pretty shade. Never tried anything from that range either. And then we've got, which was the thing that got me, the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. It's a Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize lip liner, and it looked like in a red, and it is red carpet red, which I love a red lip. If any of you have watched me, you know I love a red lip. And I wanted a good red lip liner, so when I seen this box, this is what sold it for me for this, just the Charlotte Tilbury red lip liner. I've heard so many good things about Charlotte Tilbury lip liners in general, so I was like, yes. Oh, that is stunning. I'm so excited to try that on my lips. but that is the whole reason I got everything we got for £25. We got the 2 Morphe lip glosses in Hot Cocoa and Unbothered. Beautiful. Really love the texture. The Maybelline Baby Skin, the Huda Beauty blush filter in the shade Peach Sorbet. We have got the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in, that's like that red shade there. Red Carpet Red, and obviously there's the swatch of it there. We've got the e.l.f. H2O liquid liner. God. Is that everything? I think. Oh, and then the Sculpted by Amy mascara. Absolute bargain for £25. Cannot go wrong. I'm dead chuffed with what I got in this box. For the £25 mark, what do you guys think of these boxes? They have so many. I have shared it on my community of like an image of some of the boxes that they do, and I have shared it on my Instagram stories. If you haven't already, I am going to stop. I always post on my Instagram stories, but I don't really post on my Instagram feed, but I am hopefully going to start posting on my Instagram a lot more soon. But yeah, if you haven't, I would love it if you followed me on my Instagram. I definitely share more of like deals on my Instagram stories, and I share more like little snippets of my life, like silly things like my cups and stuff. It's just silly really, but you know, I know a lot of you like that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like unboxings, beauty unboxings, things like that, I do a lot of these on my channel, and I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.